Hey everyone, what's going on? I hope you all are doing good. Well, today's video is going to be very raw and very short. I had no plans to make this video, but I was just out on a ride and this particular thought came into my mind, and I thought, why not share it with you guys as well. So, this past week has been a little stressful for me. In terms of work, in terms of life, it was kind of hectic. And today is Sunday and it's almost end of the week today, and trust me, I was so exhausted, my mind was so exhausted that I just wanted to go out for a ride. And I was just out on a ride, and right now I'm out on a ride only, with no particular destination. I just wanted to spend some me time, and this particular thought came into my mind, and I thought, why not share it with you guys as well. Now trust me, I'm not saying this for the camera, but as soon as I started riding, I just started to feel happy. I started to feel free. I'm not saying this for the camera, trust me. And the other part that made me more happier was I finally started something that I've been wanting to start for a very long time now. I'm talking about my YouTube channel. I've been wanting to do this YouTube thing for quite some time now, and it's been more than 2 years that I've been holding myself back due to very silly reasons. I will share all those reasons with you guys, but trust me, those are some of the reasons which when I will tell you guys, you will laugh. But yeah, so before I move forward, as this video is not at all planned, excuse me if I fumble here and there in between, because it will be kind of hard for me to express out what I actually want to say, to frame my sentence, because I don't know, it's kind of hard. So the things that have been holding me back for more than 2 years now, one of those reasons was I always thought that I do not have enough camera equipment. I do not have the best gear. I always thought that I need this thing, I need that thing. I was just stuck in a state where I never felt that I can do whatever I want with whatever I have got for now, until I started actually. So yeah, this was the first reason. The second reason is specific to motor vlogging. What is he doing? I always thought that I do not have a good bike, and in order to do motor vlogging, I need to have a good bike. I need to have at least 500cc or something, a super bike kind of class or something like that. That was the second reason. I always thought that I will start earning money and I will save up the money and I will buy my own bike, one super bike or something. But in reality, things does not go as you plan them to go. You have to adapt according to the situation in life. So yeah, this past few months, when the pandemic decided to hit us, I finally bite the bullet and I decided that let me just start it, man. Let me just try it out, see how it goes, and if it does not go well, then I won't be like sad that I never really started at the first place. So this was the second reason. Now the third reason is kind of mix of 2 or 3 things, but I actually do not want to put this thing out there, but I think I'll have to. So the third reason was I always thought that I don't look good. I won't look good in front of the camera. I would make a fool out of myself. My English is not very good. I would fumble. I would make myself as a joke. And trust me, this is something that you do not want to experience, because this is not related to starting a YouTube channel, but this is related to your daily day-to-day life, your self-confidence and everything, be it your workplace, be it standing in front of an audience, be it anything. If you do not have enough confidence in you, then you will always feel that you're not up to the mark. And I thought that now that I have started my channel and I actually feel good about it, why not share few things with you guys, so that if you guys are wanting to start your own journey, your journey in any particular thing, then you should not hold yourself back. So in the recent past, we have seen that the OTT platform has gained a lot of audience in terms of everything, in terms of creators, in terms of web series, in terms of movies, everything. The people who always ran away from taking a subscription of a OTT platform are now having their own subscriptions. Why is it so? Because you always have to adapt according to the situation in life. And the lockdown, in the lockdown, you cannot actually go out and enjoy the movies in the theater, so you are left with only one choice, the OTT platform. And specifically talking about YouTube, a lot of new creators have joined YouTube. Now I believe that you should not hold yourself back. There was this one line that I read a while back, 4-5 months back, and it was and it said that ready is a lie, punch perfection in the face and start recording. And that was kind of a booster for me, and I actually felt that if I am stuck in all those thoughts, then I will feel that I'm never ready. And I'll always feel that I need this thing, I need that thing, and it's not good, to be honest. So I decided to start up my journey. Now, if you yourself want to start your journey, then let me tell you one thing. Let me first take the exit. This is Ashoka Road, right? So where was I? So I was saying that this is the right time for you to start your creator's journey. The amount of engagement that you will get on OTT platforms is unreal if you compare it to 4-5 months back. And talking about YouTube specifically, YouTube is a big platform for you. And I believe if you think that you own a particular skill, if you are good at something, be it singing, dancing, painting, or cooking, or even motovlogging, I would say, if you believe that you are good at something and you can make videos out that no one is making, then I believe that you should start your journey. And you should just get up and get started, man. And yeah, as I've already mentioned that this video was not actually planned. If this video was actually planned, I would have made this video a lot better and a lot more things I would have shared. But I believe there are sometimes only few words that you need in order to feel motivated, and for me it was those particular lines that I shared with you. And if this video motivates you, if this video helps you get started, then I'll be really happy. And if you finally decide to start your YouTube journey, then do ping me on my DM, on my Insta, DM me on my Insta, and I would actually try to help you in any way that I can. So yeah, if you believe that you own a particular skill and you think that you can make videos then trust me, the only thing that you need is your cell phone. The first video that I made on my channel, you can go ahead and check it out. That was all shot from my cell phone. All the motovlogging shots that you will see in that video, that was from my cell phone. So yeah, I would request you to get up and get started, start your journey, and just enjoy your life, man. Just start doing what you actually want, because time will fly by and you will always feel that you are not ready, which is not a good feeling. So yeah, with that said, guys, I'm gonna close this video right here, right now. And as always, let nothing hold you back in life, and always keep moving forward. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.